Hi, this is Henry Gambell with Simpler Trading, and in today's video I wanted to introduce you to the new dashboard that we'll be rolling out on Simpler Trading. So this will be coming out towards the end of the week, and the main idea behind this is making it easier to get to the content that you access the most. A common theme as you try to access anything is the fewer number of clicks it takes to get to where you want to be, the better off you are, and that's the idea behind this. So when you log in, the primary thing you're going to see is any content that you are subscribed to. From there, you can get to the primary resources of that website, or you can log directly into the trading room, and that goes for each of the individual services. As you scroll down, you'll notice you have the latest content for whatever you have as part of your memberships. So if you have everything, then you'll see similar to what we have here. It'll be organized with the most recent on top, and just gives you a direct place to access the most recent content. A few other places to just make note of. On the right hand side of the screen we have what's on tap. This is going to be a larger button when this actually premieres, but a single drop down to access all the chat rooms through this. And this is the new Simpler Trading dashboard. So I hope you find that helpful. We'll be having more walkthroughs for it as these become completed and rolled out, and we'll touch base there.